Hello friends, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire, and today I am at the launch of HUAWEI P30 Pro and P30 Lite. These are two phones which have been launched. In this video, we are going to see a quick look and the unboxing also of the P30 Pro. So guys, we have the all new HUAWEI P30 Pro here with us. This is how the box looks like. Although this is a review device box, let's just open the box and see what are the contents. So this is the beautiful HUAWEI P30 Pro in front of you. This is a breathing crystal variant color. I specifically took this variant because this looked really pretty and different from the other blue phones in the market. We'll come back to the phone in a while. Let's see what all is there in the box. So has the SIM tray ejecting tool, then there's a decent TPU protective case, some paperwork, and the C-type charging cable, some nice decent earphones. Yes, and a big charger. This is a supercharger kind of charger, which is 9 volt 2 ampere and 10 volt 4 ampere max. So this is the output, probably 18 watt it will give. So these are all the contents which you get in the box. So friends, this is the all new HUAWEI P30 Pro in front of you. This looks stunning. What a gorgeous looking phone, I should say. And especially this color, I really love this one. The looks are really stunning. Talking about the display, it has a 5.47 inches of full HD plus display, OLED dewdrop kind of display, and seriously like super slim bezels, very light in hand and very handy. As per the kind of battery level it has, it is just 192 grams. It has a 4200 mAh of battery as well, with a 3D kind of curved design you get here. And the phone is also IP68, that means water and dust resistant, with a 19.5:9 HDR kind of display. The touch response is really snappy and viewing angle is nice, although right now, as you can see, the brightness level is quite low. Then too, the colors are looking so vibrant and sharp. If we talk about the looks from the other angles, so here's the power button and the volume rocker. On the top you have this additional noise cancellation mic. Okay, so there is I just saw that there is a IR blaster as well, with these two antennas placed very nicely here. There's nothing at this side, and the SIM tray just slot is at the bottom with the mic, C-type charging port, and the speaker grill. So this side looks like. At the back, which is the highlight of the phone, there's a quad camera setup. We'll see the camera specs individually because that is the major thing in this phone. So I'm really in love with this gradient kind of design it is showing. And the blue color will be kind of like this. This is not the Pro one, this is the light one, but the blue color is kind of similar to this one. So this was a new color which is launched. And as you can see, the fingerprint sensor is totally replaced because it is here in the, it has an in-display fingerprint sensor. So HUAWEI says the fingerprint sensor has also been quite upgraded, and now it is a new generation of fingerprint sensor. This phone is a perfect amalgamation of power and speed. So let's talk about the settings and see what all other things are there. So it runs on EMUI version 9.1, which is again an updated version, along with Android 9 Pie, and has a very good processor, which is HUAWEI Kirin 980, very powerful for all kind of multitasking and heavy gaming as well. Talking about the RAM and the ROM combination, you get an 8GB plus 256GB of a variant. Although in the global launch, I think there was a 512GB also launched, but here there's this 256GB launched. Also, it has GPU turbo, so gamers are going to love this phone. Battery, I already told you, it has a 4200 mAh of battery, which is good, which can run up to easily for 1 or 1.5 day of average usage. And it also comes with a 15-watt wireless charging, so that means it supports quick charge as well as wireless charging, so there will not be any problem with the charging and the battery and running out of battery, and you can play n number of games and do multitasking, as well as the as the display is bigger, obviously we need more battery. So the wireless charger does not come inside the box, but you have to buy it additionally as an accessory. Also, one more thing which I wanted to mention here was about Dolby Atmos audio. We all know that how good is Dolby Atmos, and it adds so much to the quality of the audio and the noise cancellation and everything. So it supports Dolby Atmos inbuilt. Also, this is a new phone, and I could see a little bit of bloatware here and there, like Facebook is already pre-installed and all. So now coming to the camera part, first of all let's discuss about the setup of the camera. It has a 40 megapixel of primary sensor, which is aperture f1.6, and then there is a 20 megapixel of wide angle sensor, and then there is this 8 megapixel sensor. Also, this is a TOF sensor, which is time of flight, which reduces the fraction of light which goes from both the cameras here, and it minimizes that and makes the picture a little more good quality. So this is how the camera setup looks like. It has everything whatever you need. It will totally replace your DSLRs, and this is going to be a pro in the mobile photography zone. We have like everything from super low light photography to portrait to shooting high-end 4K videos, and there is specifically a pro mode, and you can do a lot more things, like you can do underwater photography and super wide angle panorama pictures with AR lens. That means you can do a lot of 3D fun activities, as well as slow-mo stickers and everything. And obviously you should also give a try, if you are a pro in photography, you have to surely give a try to the super macro mode. So it can shoot objects without getting them blur, like perfect till 2.5 centimeters, like such minimal distance. Although other phones, if we see the pictures get blurred. Also wanted to tell you guys that it supports optical zoom up to 5x, digital up to 50x, and hybrid zoom up to 10x, and it has a dual video mode as well, and SuperSpectrum Sensor. Selfie is also AI based, and it has AI HDR, it supports AI's scene recognition on both sides. Let's switch on to the front camera. Wow. Can you see the amount of detailing it is capturing, and the skin tone looks so fresh and nice. It has a 32 megapixel of selfie camera, and you can do a lot more fun with photography with this phone. I just tried a few shots. So we tried this shot with the super macro mode, and just see the detailing. It looks so good. This was from the normal back camera. Just wanted to show that when there is backlight also in indoor conditions, then too it will highlight the people who it should actually. This is normal selfie, and just see the detailing on this part. So guys, this was a quick look of the Huawei P30 Pro. It has been launched at a price range of 71990, that means 71,990 rupees. But it actually is worth the price. Also, it will be available on Amazon as well as probably Chroma stores, but a little later. The availability dates have not been disclosed as such, but whenever I'll get to know them, I'll put it in the description box. So this is it for this video. We'll be back soon with another tech bite from the launch event. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Nothing Wired. Thank you and bye.